My primary motivation, and there's no denying, it's my son who has autism. He was diagnosed at a very young age, and he's been in school for over 7 years. So we have always been in a public school setting, and I wanted the public schools, gen ed students, to be aware of our children's needs and challenges, that they're just children. So my motivation, in short, is my son, but equally all his peers. There are beautiful, beautiful children, all kids and adults with autism, but children are the ones who are most vulnerable. And my heart in this project is to make people more aware and accepting of my son, his peers, and build a safe community for them where they're accepted and loved and nurtured by all people that they're surrounded with.
My son is also on the spectrum. He is in the same class as Bea's son. And I think it's very important for everyone to learn just a little bit about it. Our kids, they want to be with everybody else. They want to learn like everyone else. They want to be included. They just don't know how to. And so bringing this awareness to everyone is a huge deal for our future and for our children.
My favorite thing about being mom to Doug is being Doug's mom. It's hard to put in words. Doug is a beautiful boy. He's very affectionate. He has his challenges. All of our children with autism, it's not a perfect world we live in. We understand that they will be having challenges. But with Doug, I learn from his challenge. I learn from his bad days. I learn from his good days. For me, being his mom has taught me so much more than life has taught me. It's the best thing that's happened to me.